In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Marketing tab in Shopify, your central hub for all things related to marketing within your online store. Whether you're looking to expand your reach, boost engagement, or increase your sales, this feature-rich section is designed to streamline your marketing efforts and maximize results efficiently. To start with, the Marketing tab is ingeniously organized to allow you to create, manage, and track every aspect of your marketing endeavors. Here, you're not just handling one-off campaigns, you're building a cohesive strategy that encompasses various channels and tactics. Let's dive into what this means for you and your store. First, let's talk about campaigns. Within this section, you can organize and monitor multi-channel marketing efforts that drive towards achieving specific business objectives. Imagine promoting a new product launch or a limited-time sale across multiple platforms, such as paid ads and social media. The Campaigns feature makes it possible to plan and execute these initiatives systematically, ensuring your message is consistently impactful across different mediums. Next up, we have marketing automations. This is where the magic of automation takes place. By setting up automated multi-channel communications, including email, SMS, and push notifications, you can consistently engage with your customers. Whether you're welcoming a new subscriber with a special offer or reminding a loyal customer about an item they've abandoned in their cart, you can utilize ready-made Shopify email templates or third-party apps to keep the conversation going. The goal here is ongoing engagement, ultimately driving higher conversion rates with minimal manual effort from your side. Moving on to built-in tools, Shopify provides a suite of integrated marketing automation tools designed to bolster your marketing prowess. With Shopify Email, you can create branded email campaigns tailor-made to resonate with your audience. If you're looking to grow your subscriber list, consider making full use of Shopify Forms. And to ensure your messages hit home, leverage the power of customer segments to deliver personalized marketing to specific groups, enhancing relevance and boosting response rates. Tracking the performance of your marketing efforts is crucial, and the Marketing tab offers robust performance tracking capabilities. Here, you can view key performance indicators at a glance, identify your top marketing channels, and precisely measure the success of your campaigns. Being data-driven is the cornerstone of modern marketing, and Shopify arms you with the insights needed to optimize and adapt your strategies effectively. Bringing all these features together, the Marketing tab within your Shopify admin is purposefully designed to unify your marketing tools in one accessible place. This not only simplifies your workflows, but also empowers you to build and execute compelling marketing strategies without ever needing to step away from your store. By harnessing the power of Shopify's Marketing tab, you'll be well equipped to elevate your business and grow your brand successfully.